My name is Brother Evans Wafula from the Diocese of Bungoma. My congregation is Congregation of Our Lady Mother of Mercy, which was originated in Netherlands, and it started in the year 1884. I'm here enjoying the beauty of nature in the forest, enjoying the fresh air, and see how God is wonderful. Here, I'm here to learn many things, and I see how God wants me to relate with you and you to relate with me. For those who are watching in different parts of the world, there's a lot for you to learn from my reflection. God has given us plants. The plants give us fresh air. These plants act as the windbreakers, especially when your house is very closer to the forest. It is not easy for your house to be blown away by the wind because the trees protect your house. And the way these trees protect your house is the same way I should protect you and you should protect me. The soil is a very wonderful component. It protects the tree, especially this blue gum. It is very strong. It's being supported by the soil. Without this soil, this tree could have been down by now. My brothers and sisters, do you support one another? Because this tree also supports this soil from being swept away by water. We talk about the soil erosion. The tree supports the soil from being blown away by the wind and also from being swept away by the water. So, wherever you are, in your houses, in your communities, in every places where we're working, support one another. Just as the way the tree supports the soil and the soil supports the tree. This tree gets a lot from the ground here. It gets water through the roots. It gets mineral salt from the soil. That's why you see this tree is very strong and healthy, surviving, because there is a lot that is getting from the ground. The question is, why are we not supporting each other? When you reflect with nature, you will realize how God is wonderful, how God is communicating with you, how God is communicating to us. That this is the way we should. Let us move away from egocentrism. The world of me alone. I can't exist alone in this world. You have to exist because I'm existing. And I'm existing because you are existing. We need one another. We need one another, my brothers and sisters. The way a mother supports the child, carries the child on her back, is the same way God carries us. Let us carry one another. May I be a ladder to you. You step on me so that you can reach somewhere where you want to reach. Can you be my ladder? I step on you so that I reach where you want to reach. I am because you are, and you are because I am. That is the law of nature. We have to exist. We have to exist in a good relationship. My brothers and sisters, I call upon you that you may reflect with me, that you may, what I have shared with you, may continue to inspire you and assist you in your daily life. And you will enjoy a lot. You will grow. And more so, I ask you that you may be closer to God, because God always wants somebody who wants to be closer to Him. My brothers and sisters, thank you for watching this, and may my reflection continue to inspire you. Thank you, and may God bless you. God is so wonderful. God is really a provider. When I examine about nature, I see really how God is. For example, here in the river, this water is natural. It's a gift from God. And this water gives us life. It gives everything that God has created, especially the living things. It gives them life. When the plants get water, they grow and mature. When the animals get water, they grow, they survive. When we human beings drink water, we survive, we grow. And even our body, the biggest percentage, the biggest component in our body, it is water. Water is life. Water is everything, my brothers and sisters. And the way water gives us life, gives everything that God has created life. The same way we should be water to other people. We should give life to other people. And anybody who does not give life to somebody, then that person is not closer to God. Because God has given us water for free, so that it can assist us in our daily life. We too, we need to give life to other people. The same as water gives us life, and gives plants life, gives animals life. We too, we need to give other people's life. Water has oxygen. All the animals that are in the water, they get oxygen from water. My brothers and sisters, this is the way we should relate to one another. Water gives plants life, and the plants grow. It gives life to human beings, and they grow and they survive. They enjoy walking, they enjoy dancing. And after this world, then God is the one who will decide the time will go back to Him. And anyone who fights over natural things that God has created, the end result is death. That's why you have seen so many people who fight over land, who fight over water. They have gone, they have fallen because of being selfish, because of fighting for something which was got for free in this world. When one fights over water, many people have fought over water. You have built dams, you have drilled boreholes at your homes, but you are so selfish you cannot give out water to somebody. Yet that water, when somebody explains to you how it came into existence, you are not able to do it. Water is a gift. May we be gifts to one another. May we provide life to one another. My brothers and sisters, let us embrace each other. Let us live in harmony. Let us live in peace. Thank you, my brothers and sisters, for listening to me as you continue to reflect what I have taught you today. Thank you.